Hi guys, let's look at the first lesson of the second standard mathematics CBSE syllabus. Right. The first lesson is what is long and what is round. Okay. Children love Uncle Miku. Uncle's name is Miku. He plays with them every day. Today he has kept different things in his bag. The game is guess its name. Okay. So let's see what uncle is telling. Guess what I have in my hand. I will tell you what it feels like. Uncle Miku put his hand in the bag. Okay. Team A sings a song. Find out with your eyes shut well. Touch it with your hands and tell. Tell us how it feels. We guess its name and win the game. Okay. This is Team A. Three bunch of idiots and one girl. Okay, three boys and one girl. And here in team B, all are girls, four girls. Okay. Then what Uncle Miku is telling? Pointed at one end, flat at the other, but round like a pipe. Guess what it is? Okay, it is pointed at one end and flat at the other. Okay, but round like a pipe. Guess what it is? Team A says pencil. Okay. Do you also think so? Now you can think of different answer for Uncle Miku's question. Okay. Now it is the turn of Team A to touch and guess. Everybody sings. Tell us how it feels. We guess its name and win the game. A child from Team A puts his hand in the bag. Others in Team A have to guess. Okay. Can you help them? Let's see what this girl is telling. Round all round has no corners. I can roll it with my hand. Guess what it is? Okay, it is round, completely round, and has no corners. Okay, one can roll it in his hand. Okay, let's see the answer. What would be the answer? Ball, the cricket ball is completely round, right? Then is the turn of team B to feel and guess, and so the game goes on. Now you play the game in teams, put different things in a bag. The cloth is tied on the child's eyes. She puts her hand in the bag, she touches it and says what it feels like. Her team has to guess the name. Okay. How strong is a postcard? Hold a postcard from one corner. If you keep a book on it, okay, can it hold the book? Yes or no? Now try this. Roll a postcard to make a pipe. Okay. Use a tape to stick the ends together. Okay, like this. Put a book on it. Does it hold? See how many books it can hold. This is just for your practice. Okay. Hurry up and be quick. Children are sitting in a circle in the class. So they are playing this game, clapping and singing. Okay. Oh, what is long? What is round? Look around. Look around. Okay, what Reena says? A bat is long, a ball is round. Look around, look around. Her tone is not that much good. Okay. All children are singing. What is wrong? What is wrong? Look around, look around. What Minu says? A bottle is long, a cap is round. Look around, look around. Yes, bottle is long and cap is round. And the game goes on. Now you play this game in your class. Take turns to name two things, one long and one round. Do not repeat things which others have already named. Okay. Now what rolls and what slides? Look at the picture. Some children are rolling, and some are sliding things in a park. Okay. There are some things which can roll and some which can slide. Right. These are things which both roll and slide. There are things which both roll and slide. Okay, here you have to write with the things which roll and the things which slide and the things which both roll and slide. Okay, when you put a ball there, it will roll. Okay, it depends on which object you're keeping it there. Okay, if we keep this one, it will slide, right? Like that. My tiny tree. Now let's see how to make a tree. Take a sheet of paper like this, roll the paper to make a pipe. Your paper pipe will look like this now. Use glue or tape to stick it like this. Okay. Using scissors, cut strips at one end of the paper pipe. Okay. Make 7 or 8 cuts like this. Okay. Turn down the cut ends. Your tree is ready, and now you have to color it like this. Okay, fine. The tallest tower. First, let us make a tower with boxes. Okay. Let us see who can make the tallest tower. What the girl is saying? I will make the tallest one. Okay, collect different things such as boxes of different kinds, balls, erasers, matchbox. Okay, make your towers using different things like only matchboxes, only tins like that. Okay, only same objects. Now mix and make the different things like shoe boxes and tins together, balls and matchboxes together. Okay, coin play. Hold the coin like this. Make the coin spin. Does it look like a ball? Yes, right. Does a coin roll? Does it slide? It will roll, right? Can you take a 1 rupee coin, stand like this? Can you make a 1 rupee coin stand like this? Try doing the same using 2 rupee coin and a 5 rupee coin. 5 rupee coin will stand obviously. Why it stands? It has more thickness. That is the reason why it stands. Okay, guys, this is the end of the first lesson. First lesson is pretty simple, nothing much and nothing much related to mathematics as well. Okay, uh, okay, no problem. uh, let's begin our second lesson in the next session. Okay, thank you guys.